The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lyon County in northwestern Iowa, southwestern Lyon County in southwestern Minnesota, Lincoln County in southwestern Minnesota, northwestern Nobles County in southwestern Minnesota, Rock County in southwestern Minnesota, western Murray County in southwestern Minnesota, Pipestone County in southwestern Minnesota, northeastern Minor County in east central South Dakota, Brookings County in east central South Dakota, Moody County in east central South Dakota, Kingsbury County in east central South Dakota, Lake County in east central South Dakota, eastern Minnehaha County in southeastern South Dakota, until 6 p.m. At 5:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Carthage to near Coleman to near Larchwood, moving northeast at 85 miles an hour. These are destructive storms for Brookings, Pipestone, Lake Wilson, and surrounding areas. Hazard, 90 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Severe thunderstorms will be near Flandreau, Egan, and Nunda around 5:20 p.m. Brookings, Garrettson, Lake Preston, Sherman, and Headland around 5:25 p.m. Elkton, Aurora, Hardwick, Badger, Ward, and Blue Mountain State Park around 5:30 p.m. Edgerton, Lake Benton, White, Leota, Lismore, and Trotsky around 5:35 p.m. Chandler and Arco around 5:40 p.m. Hendricks, Ivanhoe, Lake Wilson, Holland. The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cherokee County in northwestern Iowa, Lyon County in northwestern Iowa, northwestern Woodbury County in west central Iowa, Osceola County in northwestern Iowa, Sioux County in north